Prava. My name is Punitarasen Sanos Chidambaranathan. So I'm coming from Berjaya University College, Malaysia. And the reason I chose to come VSGT Maribor is because Slovenia as a country is a very cultural and traditional country, which I would like to know and gain much more about the tradition and cultures here, and especially on the foods. And since they are wine region, it will be a good experience for me on learning their wines and the food pairing of their foods with the wines and so on, and the gastronomical and architectural views of here. So I would like to know from doing this program from here, I could advance my skills on culinary, plus I could gain more knowledge on European and Slovenian cultures and gain a lot of good friends from here. Thank you.
Well done. I am Aaron Mazenhong and I'm from Berjaya University College, Malaysia. Alright, so the reason I choose to come to Maribor is because since the COVID-19 hits, I am always staying at home. So basically I want to get out of my comfort zone in order to grow and develop my personal skills. Staying at home does not really benefit me, so that's why I want to challenge myself and applying for this Erasmus program to Maribor. So as for the expectations, I'm actually expecting to learn the techniques that some of the students here and the mentor here. So basically I want to learn the technique which in Malaysia we don't really emphasize on the technique part. So basically I'm here to learn the techniques, I'm here to learn the cultures, I'm here to learn their skills. Thank you.
Julia, I'm Winkin from Berjaya University College. So why do I choose Maribor? Because I want to explore the European countries and travel, learn something, especially on the food, and of course make some friends here. And also do some dishes that I've never eat or seen before in Malaysia. And also what do I expect here is I wish to learn some cooking skills or dishes that I've never seen before in Malaysia that I believe I could share it when I get back to Malaysia. That is all. Thank you.
Dobratan, I'm Madeline To from Berjaya University College. The reason why I joined this exchange program and came to Slovenia, Maribor, it's because for me, I wanted to step out from my comfort zone, and also I wanted to make more connections from not only staying just in Malaysia, the connections, but through to European countries. So at here, I'm able to find out and learn a lot of different cultures and also the working styles, experience. So which I think it can be a lot more improvement for myself, which I will gain here. So the reason is this, and hope this exchange program will make myself grow a lot. And thank you for having us, and nice meeting you guys. Thank you.